So guys, here we have is our gold, which is XAU USD. So please, if you not subscribe, click the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment. I will watch out for it. Now this gold analysis, we've done a weekly analysis on it. How we predicted that this gold will be dropping. For today, which is on the 26th, our gold actually dropped. We saw this red. Now we would want to also predict movement for the next day, which is on the 27th. So it depends on how early you watch this movement. So to actually predict this movement for the next day on our gold, we would have to roll up to the weekly time frame. So now we have here is our weekly time frame. There's only one movement we all can see, right? It is a bearish move on gold. So gold is bearish, and I want you guys to know that gold itself has this correlation with our USD index. So if you watch the USD index properly, let's see it here. If you watch the index USD index properly, you see that as this point in time where we were having this bullish move on this USD index, this was around let us say around August. So around this August, we are having this bullish move on USD index. It was around that same time. This was close to August or so. Let's say so close to August, also around this August here. So we are having this bearish move. So basically, as at that time we were having this bullish move on our gold itself, and on our USD we are having a bullish move on our USD index. Then our gold has actually been dropping, and when we are having this bullish move, if you notice it on our gold, then there was a drop on USD. So above all, for this quick analysis on this weekly time frame, we are bearish. One. Secondly is that this price is below 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of 10 period moving average. If it is below it, we should look to short this trade, right? Once price is below 10 period moving average, we are to short it. So we are going short. And there was a time that price was actually coming to this level. It actually came to this level, rejected it, right? It came to this level, price rejected it. Also, price came to this level, it kind of gave us like a pullback, which rejected it, and guess what? The price now broke below this level. So that is an indication that we are now still on a bearish move. There is no indication that we would start going uptrend. It is still on a bearish move. So gold itself is dropping. So guys, watch out for it. So take this trade. We are to short. Downward to the daily time frame. There's only one movement that is all can see on this daily time frame, a bearish move. Let's see this price from here. I think from here, from August, by the way, we can see on this daily time frame, right? We see this on this August period on the daily time frame, we were actually going bearish on this daily time frame. It was then our USD index on the daily time frame was actually giving us that bullish move. As at this period when this USD was actually dropping, then we can see that our gold as at that period, as at this period, was actually going bullish. So basically now we can see this analysis on our USD index. We are on a bullish move, right? So USD indicates that we are still going to be going bullish. So as this USD index indicates we are still going bullish, then definitely our gold will continue to drop. Now that is it on this daily time frame. Now let's see its second reason I said we are bearish is that see this movement here, a downward movement. We had a correction here, another downward movement occurred, right? A correction was made, so price actually broke below this level, then a pullback occurred. Now we've actually had this bearish move, right? So we all know what we should be expecting, right? A correction. So the next day, are we going to be getting a correction? Probably not. I personally still believe we would close bearish the next day, but maybe after 2 or 3 days later, then a correction should happen. So guys, watch out. A correction will happen anytime soon, but for the next day is where we would want to see our price move. So I personally believe it will go bearish. The reason is that we would actually now go to this 4-hour time frame. So take a look at it on this 4-hour time frame. To place this trade, we'll go to the 4-hour time frame. What does the 4-hour time frame says? We are bearish. Take a look at it on the 4-hour time frame. Price once range within this area, right? So if you were watching it, I'll see how we predicted this move. So basically price once range serving as our resistance and once our support level. So price broke below the support level, right? It broke below support level. Of course, we would see this price come to test the level again. Now on this 4 hour time frame, price has tested this our support level. What next we are having is another bearish move. So this is why we add this bearish move. Possibly the next day also will also go bearish. Reason why I said the next day we're very much likely to close bearish, by the way. So after 2 or 3 days, then we should have a correction. But the next day we are still bearish on our gold. So gold, we should all watch for a bearish move. So guys, if you want to take this trade, I'll advise you, short this gold for the day.